Every paw has a story, some filled with love, some with pain, but all of them deserve hope. Welcome to Tales of Hope, voices for the voiceless, hope for every paw. Here, we speak for those who can't, and together, we create hope, one paw at a time.
So this is where I come to the next question is, how can the communities become more proactive, in protecting these animal rights?
So, like I said, कि जो feeders है, societies है, instead of getting in a fight, सी झगड़ा करके ना आपको भी कुछ मिला, ना दो वो लोगों को भी कुछ मिला. You wasted your one night. You were in stress. They were in stress. उससे अच्छा get together. भैया इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं?
That is so
The
true.
best solution, which is going to be win-win for both of us. So that is where we can come in. Expert trainers हैं जिनको आप लाके like I said, we can set rules कि भैया कम्युनिटी में आपके क्वेरीज क्या है. तो like I said, I respect both your opinion. So let me understand कि सर आपके क्वेरीज क्या है, आपको क्यों नहीं चाहिए. वो काट सकता है बच्चों को, वो ऐसा कर सकता है, ये सारी चीजें हैं. Then how we can help and control कि अच्छा ये सारी चीजें कैसे कर सकते हैं कंट्रोल.
Right.
And for you also, as an animal activist, as an animal lover, आप क्या क्या चीजें रिस्पॉन्सिबली करनी चाहिए. That I'll be guiding you also कि ये सारी चीजें आप करो. आप फीडिंग का जो पॉइंट है, that is one thing which I tell a lot of parents, and I have tried it in one of the societies, which is definitely, it was way back when I came back from US. I did it in Mumbai in a society in Thane. Okay, so वहाँ पे एक feeder थी regularly. So I asked her कि instead of feeding them at one location, inside the society, थोड़े pockets पे keep the food.
Keep the food, yes. That is true.
Okay. So basically, like I said, in these they are scavengers. अभी क्या हो गया है, एक जगह पे सब फीडर्स आते, एक जगह पे खाना देते हैं, देनो यहीं पे खाना मिलेगा, तो वहीं पे टेरिटराइज कर, लाइक टेरिटरी बना के बैठ जाते कि यही हमारी टेरिटरी. फिर वहां पे लाइक ऐसे जो फूड एग्रेशन, रिसोर्स गार्डिंग जो मैं बोल रहा था, देन दे आर लाइक यहाँ पे अभी कोई नहीं आया, ये हमारी जगह. Everybody tries to intervene that space, then they are like start growling, barking at them. Okay, so instead of that, lay it around the whole premises. Let them go scavenge. उनको इधर थोड़ा खाना मिलेगा, उधर जो उनको नेचुरली अभी तक जैसे सर्वाइव करते हैं, उनको वो ही दो. And they tried that, and she actually saw that the dog, जो उनका unnecessary जो behavior था, रात को भौंकते रहना, ये दिन भर इधर उधर भागना, वो सारा बंद हो, बिकॉज उनका एक्टिविटी मिल गई.
आई थिंक इट इज, मेरे ख्याल से कि उनका एनर्जी पेंट आउट कहाँ पर होता है, वो सारा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है.
अभी एक ही जगह खाना मिल रहा है तो वहीं पे डेरा जमा के बैठे हैं, पूरे दिन यहीं पे बैठने, इधर आके आराम से खाना मिल रहा है, किधर जाने की जरूरत नहीं कुछ. तो एनर्जी जो बची है, तो अब क्या करें, तो फिर साइकिल चेस करो, गाड़ी चेस करो, इधर उधर भागो, आपस में झगड़े करते हैं. उससे अच्छा अगर ये सारी चीजें होने लगे, देन दे आर लाइक घूम रहे, सब जगह घूम रहे, तो उनका मेंटली आल्सो दे आर गेटिंग टायर्ड.
Kushal, coming back to this thing, how do you balance animal welfare advocacy with social welfare initiatives?
Very interesting.
How would you suggest, rather,
Suggestion as in, see, abroad, there are a lot of institutes which are government funded.
Right.
Okay, जहाँ पे government, so see for, there is a society for the blind, there is a society for जो people who just
autistic,
there are a lot of
special needs.
So special needs हो गया. Then there is people जिनको anxiety attacks आते हैं. There are dogs who are trained for sniffing out cancer, या ऐसी कोई चीजें है. You can specifically, diabetes किसको है, cancer किसको, you can specifically train dogs to smell these things and indicate कि यहाँ पे cancer है, या this person is diabetic or whatever. So we can definitely put these dogs to use over there. But then the thing is about finances. So, like I said, abroad, these institutes are funded by the government. They have a specific, budget. This should go in the training of, dogs who are going to help with, uh, help the blind people, who are going to help people on wheelchair. You know,
Right.
फिर एंजाइटी के लिए है, फिर a lot of things. So these institutes, they are funded by the government because कैसे है training? This is not like कि 2-3 महीने में dog training. Okay, this program is since the puppy stage. So puppy stage say if I want to train a dog safe or I want to train him to help a blind person. So उसको puppy stage से keeping the end goal in mind, we do certain things right from the puppy stage till he is 8 months of age. So till 8 months of age, he is with the foster parent. और वो फॉस्टर पेरेंट को बताया होता है कि ये चीजें इसको ऐसे ऐसे करना। आफ्टर इज 8 months ऑफ एज, फिर वो आता है ट्रेनिंग सेंटर, जहाँ पे वो 2 साल का होने तक उसकी ट्रेनिंग चलती है। इमेजिन द अमाउंट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट गोज इन टिल इज 2 years old.
Absolutely. This is what.
That is the reason why हमारे यहाँ पे ये सारे सेंटर्स नहीं है, because people don't. So if I take a normal pet and if I want to get, ऐसा डॉग अगर मुझे असिस्ट करने के लिए घर पे लाना है, it is going to cost me nothing less than 4-5 lakhs.
I know.
क्योंकि उसके ट्रेनिंग में उतना टाइम गया है, उसका खाना पीना रहना, all of that. So this thing, it is funded by the government abroad. So then it becomes easier for people to get these kind of dogs. If you put up, they have like you have to fill up the form and then the government is going to reach out to you. Okay, ये center में जाके you should see if any of the pets is that what you can say आपके needs को fulfill कर रहे हैं, then you can adopt him, get him.
Coming to the next question, which is just an add-on to this one, what are the key challenges in integrating, dog training? As we were discussing, funding to सबसे बड़ा issues है. We don't have enough institutes even. What other challenges do you think we are we have, and what would be your suggestions to try and bring a change? It's like, let's try.
Lack of awareness. सबसे बड़ा lack of awareness. Animals, even I wouldn't say it is, मतलब वो responsible नहीं है, government भी responsible नहीं है. It is, if I'm sure that if I bring in a good proposal and I make them understand this is the reason why I want this law in place, or I want these things in place with the proper stats, then I'm sure they are going to agree, okay, what is it that you want and how we can be useful, and to bring out that initiative out to people, to make them aware if you have a pet, these are the things that need to be in place. अभी आप ही बताइए, it is made mandatory by the government. Not mandatory, it is they have a portal where you can register your pet.
Right.
How many in Pune have registered it?
I'll tell you now, this is something I can debate with you for a very long time. They have a portal in PCMC and they have a portal in PMC.
Yes.
But to be honest, we've registered. I don't know whether I should say this or not. Our first registration was proper. Second registration, we paid the agent to do it, but he took the money, disappeared. And after that, we tried doing it on our own, because I went and filed a police complaint and the guy said, please go and do it on your own. We can't do anything. So when I did that, that is still not working. The portal is not working properly as yet.
Okay. So I think this has not been brought to their notice, because
how many of
I don't know, maybe they are like इतना important नहीं. But if we kind of tell them कि ये necessary है, you will get the data, and depending on that, you can plan your next strategy कि भैया ये सारे जो झगड़े हो रहे हैं, now which is going, police just have to be like, yeah, you sort it out. But
exactly.
If they can come up with an initiative, okay, awareness create करे, कि यू नो सोसाइटी में ये लॉज रिलेटेड टू लॉज आल्सो रिलेटेड टू द थिंग व्हिच आई टोल्ड यू कि हाउ यू कैन बी हाउ यू कैन कोएग्जिस्ट। भले आप उनको प्यार ना करो, हाथ भी मत लगाओ, इग्नोर करो,
खाना भी मत दो।
बस यार नफरत मत करो।
हाँ,
हाँ, खाना भी मत दो, बट नफरत भी
हाँ, बट नफरत भी नहीं, आई वुड से नफरत करो करो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, मारो नहीं उनको, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट
मारो
थिंग।
नहीं। नहीं बट नहीं, मेरा वो ये मारने की मतलब नफरत भी क्यों करनी है? यू लिव योर लाइफ, लेट देम लिव
लेट
देयर।
देम लिव देयर लाइफ, ट्रू।
वो किधर आ रहे हैं? वो क्या तुम्हारे घर पे आ रहे हैं, या वो आप चल रहे हो तो आपके बीच में आ रहे हैं जबरदस्ती कि भैया मुझे प्यार ही करो, मुझे ये करो, मुझे वो करो? ठीक है, देयर आर इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ बार्किंग एंड दिस एंड दैट, बट इफ वी क्रिएट अ प्रॉपर अवेयरनेस कि क्या क्या चीजें आपको देखनी है, क्या क्या साइंस होते हैं जब डॉग इज गोइंग टू एक्चुअली गेट एग्रेसिव। जैसे मैंने बोला, मैटरनल इंस्टिंक्ट है, फूड एग्रेशन है, ये सारी चीजें अगर हम सोसाइटी में बताएंगे, आई डोंट थिंक दे आर गोइंग टू बी फोर्सेबली कि नहीं नहीं वो खाना खा रहे, फिर मुझे मैं तो यहीं से जाऊंगा क्योंकि यही मेरा रोज का रास्ता। देन लाइक आई थिंक देन यू आर बीइंग यू नो, आप ईगो यार ऐसे नहीं कि
बीइंग
मैं तो मेरा करूंगा ये, तो यू कैन एडजस्ट इन दीज फाइन थिंग्स। सो आई डोंट थिंक इट इज अ बिग डील कि यार आज आप ये फुटपाथ से जा रहे हो, आज वो फुटपाथ से जाओगे तो इतना कुछ होने वाला है।
यू नो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई थिंक थोड़ा सा एडजस्टमेंट चाहिए। यू नो देखो,
नहीं बट वो ये है कि आई थिंक इफ दे पुट इन दैट एफर्ट टू क्रिएट दैट अवेयरनेस, आई एम श्योर देयर विल बी लाइक चेंज तो काफी देखने को
मिलेगा, that is true. You know, that is where I come back to the next question would be how can the government or the NGOs better support such initiatives, you know?
बेटर सपोर्ट इज वही कि अच्छे अच्छे लाइक वीडियोस, easiest me social media पे they can put in nice videos. So like I mentioned कि people teach tricks to their dog.
Right.
Okay, I would call it a trick because okay मेरा dog sit करता है, मेरा dog down करता है. Okay, if I tell them to do the same thing, okay now you come out and show me the same thing in front of 10 people and in front of so many distractions, then I get all sorts of answers कि नहीं मेरे पास treat नहीं है आज, इसलिए वो मेरा सुन नहीं रहा है।
सुन
नहीं
नहीं,
यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रैक्शन बहुत है, तो इतने डिस्ट्रैक्शन में नहीं सुन। दैट इज व्हाई आई से इट इज अ ट्रिक। ओके, सो यू हैव टॉट योर डॉग अ ट्रिक कि ओके यू डू दिस ट्रिक, आई विल गिव यू। ओके, आई वुड कॉल अ डॉग वेल ट्रेन्ड when he is able to do all these things when you ask him to.
ask him. Okay.
Okay, so if you go abroad, there is a test. Okay, if you want to take your dog to hotels, if you want to take them in public transport, bus, यहाँ पे आपको लेके जाना है, public parks. Okay, in US there is a test which is called as a canine good citizen.
Okay.
Which is a CGC test. Okay, so there are 10 simple exercises in that test. Okay, so if your dog is able to fulfill all those 10, then they give you that certification. And in some states it is mandatory. If you take your dog on the beach, if you take your dog to a public park, the officials can come and actually ask to show me a certification. And if you don't have it, they can take your dog away and you know proper legal action. So
Wow.
they are very mindful of it. And I feel कि ये काफी हद तक जरूरी है यहाँ पर,
I think
Okay.
yes.
so that parents take in that actual effort and give time to their pet. For me, it is more, you know, spending time with your pet. For me, training your dog is, you know, I always say I like it hot. Hot is what? Handler, owner, train. कि खुद उसका हैंडलर, खुद उसका ओनर उसे ट्रेन कर रहा है, मुझे उसमें ज्यादा मजा आता है। दिस इज माई प्रोफेशन, आई कैन ट्रेन, आई कैन, आप कैसा भी डॉग दे दो मैं उसको ट्रेन करके दे दूँ, बट ही इज गोइंग टू बी दैट विद मी बिकॉज आई नो हाउ टू हैंडल इट, क्या करना है, कब कैसे करना है, राइट? बट आई प्रेफर ट्रेनिंग द पेरेंट।
Parent, yes.
अगर पेरेंट को पता चल गया कि कैसे ट्रेन करना है, क्या करना है, तो 24 घंटे तो तुम्हारे साथ रहना।
बिल्कुल।
मैं आऊंगा दिन में 1 घंटा मेरे साथ अच्छे से रह लेगा, मस्ती करेगा, खेलेगा, क्योंकि मैं उसके साथ वो बॉन्ड बना रहा हूँ। गिविंग हिम दैट एक्सपीरियंस, खेलना है, मजे करने हैं, ट्रीट मिलेगी, तो मेरी सब बातें सुननी कर। बट बाकी के 23 आवर्स क्या करोगे फिर आप वही कंप्लेन करोगे यार ये तो सब सिर्फ ट्रेनर की सुनता है, आप पे सुनता ही नहीं।
सुनता ही नहीं। That is so true.
बिल्कुल. So that is why I prefer training the parent. Okay, so once, so in that CGC exercise क्या है? Your dog should be able to walk nicely next to you. That is a basic exercise. The second exercise is a grooming exercise. Okay, where a stranger comes, you have to ask your dog to sit. He has to be in a sit and not jump on the other person who's approaching.
Okay.
Okay, then the other person, he pets the dog, so he should not get snappy, or he should not get too excited and jump here and there. He should calmly sit, get petting done. Okay, then they ask your dog, commands पे काम करते हैं. Okay, ask your dog to sit, the dog should be able to sit. They want to ask your dog to down, the dog should down. Then there will be people with some with a baby in the hand. एक साइकिल पे रहेगा खड़ा हुआ, एक बिल्ली लेके रहेगा. You know, there will be different dogs. ऐसे दोनों साइड पे रहते हैं. आपको वो उनके बीच में से चल के जाना है अपने डॉग को साथ में. तो ऐसे छोटी छोटी 10 एक्सरसाइजेज हैं.
This
Okay,
is
which is what the dog is facing in real life. So that is what they are testing, कि आपके डॉग आपके कंट्रोल में है या नहीं.
नहीं है बराबर.
Right? So ये सारी चीजें, if that CGC is in place, I know that मेरा डॉग सोसाइटी में थ्रेट है ही नहीं, and I can show this to, you know, people who are fighting कि ये देखो भैया, this is the exercise that I have done. Just have a look. Okay? And then you come and complain me कि नहीं ये मत करो, आपका डॉग काट ही लेगा, उसको ऐसे ही रखो, उसको वैसे ही रखो. Right? So अगर ये सारी चीजें, if the government definitely, if they initiate, this is going to be like, मतलब
serious change. Serious.
हाँ, change for the societies also, for the pet parents also.
I
Because
think
अभी कैसे है, बस पेट पसंद है, लाना है, बहुत प्यार करना है. But what about the other things? When you take them down, walk पे लेके जाना है. Like I said, I respect both. So lift manners, जो मेरे ट्रेनिंग में होता है, लोगों को पता नहीं होता. I'm sure you have also seen a lot of instances where lift में dog ने काट लिया.
that's true.
You know,
It happened.
there was
They're lunging immediately.
Yeah.
हाँ.
So lift manners क्या है? This is where your sit is going to come in place. आपने sit सिखाया क्यों है? लिफ्ट में उसको सिट कराना है, बस सिट में रहो, जब तक मैं नहीं बोलता हिलना नहीं है यहाँ.
हिलना नहीं.
That is as easy as that. Does any trainer tell you that? No.
No, I think
They just teach you, okay, sit कराना है, shake hand कराया, okay, हो गया.
I know. You know, I'm not going to get into all that. Now, coming back to my next question, I remember your first training session as well. But coming back to this whole thing, you know, for our listeners who would be listening, who are helping street dogs or doing, what are the basic things, you know, they can take or that can be helpful for them?
One thing, the thing which I mentioned, if it is possible for them, do not feed at one place.
Okay.
अगर possible है, make them scavengers, go around, just keep walking, keep some food here, keep some food there, let them go scavenging. उनको ढूंढने दो, उनको खाने दो. Whenever you are petting a dog, आप किसी डॉग को पेट कर रहे हो, किसी डॉग को प्यार कर रहे हो, ensure the dog is not jumping on. You know, out of love, out of affection, they are kind of, you know,
They're lunging.
and then you are kind of petting him. Oh, so cute. For us, it is okay. But you have to understand the same thing they are going to do with others.
Others also, yes.
Right? तो कभी बच्चे हो, कभी कोई बुजुर्ग होगा. So we should understand that कि ये आदत हमें नहीं डालनी. Okay? So they do that. No. बैठो शांति से. I will pet you. But don't get too excited, you know, like too clingy, too jumpy on me. शांति से बैठो. I will pet you. Everything is going to be fine.
Perfect. That is so nice. Coming back to the whole thing, listeners only, how can they support programs that train street kids and dog behavior or training if there is a way that they can, you know, contribute to the whole thing? And in
Come and
whatever.
train with
That would be
Okay, come and train with me. I would definitely love to help them out. Like I said, कि rules क्या क्या set करने हैं, कैसे है. Basic, say you have adopted 4-5 of your community animals. You can reach out to me. कि Kushal, what can we do? Can you help us out? Any behavior issue you are facing? Or in general, इनको कैसे मैं अच्छे से रख सकूं? I can definitely come help them out. कि these are the things. See, सिर्फ खाना देना एज अ फीडर, सिर्फ खाना देना, उसका टाइम टू टाइम वैक्सीनेशन डीवर्मिंग करना नहीं, ये सारी बाकी चीजें भी है, बिकॉज वी नो यार, हम प्यार करते हैं, बाकी के टाइम कौन उनको आके क्या करता है, वी डोंट नो।
Absolutely,
Right.
100% agree with you on that.
तो ये सारी चीजें यार हम बात करके, लोगों को एजुकेट करके ही हम वी कैन मूव फॉरवर्ड। हम कितने कितने लोगों से झगड़ते रहेंगे यार, कितना, लाइक इट इज गोइंग टू टेक माय टाइम, आई एम गोइंग टू बी मेंटली स्ट्रेस्ड, द अदर पर्सन आल्सो ही इज वेस्टिंग हिज टाइम, मतलब इट इज जस्ट we are not going to get anything out of it. So the best way to go ahead is, you reach out. Not me, I'm sure काफी सारे trainers हैं जो ये actively कर रहे हैं. Reach out to them. There is a reason why, a lot of parents they ask me क्यों training क्यों जरूरी? ट्रेनिंग इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि हमें अभी उनको, लाइक वी हैव टू टीच द किड्स टू लर्न टू लिव विद अस, कि हमारे साथ भैया ये रूल्स है हमारी सोसाइटी में, अब तुम रह ही रहे हो तो अभी आपको ये रूल्स फॉलो करने, जो उनको नेचुरली नहीं आते।
I remember, I think it's almost 4 years when we had your first training session for Karma, and you said, treat them like a dog. You have to learn, their language, how to communicate with them, and that has stuck with us, me and Aruna, very well. Kushal, coming back to this whole podcast, what we're doing is, can we understand what is your vision for the future of dog behavior training in India? Because I know you've been talking, we've been talking about training, but we also know there are not enough trainers. Not only trainers, but there is not enough of awareness also, whether it is for street kids or for personal pets. I think there is not enough awareness. Here we need to train these kids, So how do you envision the future sort of thing?
One thing that I am like planning, चल रही है, which is to set up a, institute or something like that, where I can tie up with these NGOs, can get dogs to come and train at that institute, and we give this dogs up for adoption. क्योंकि trained dog रहेगा तो काफी
Easy.
people would be more keen on getting them adopted rather than just getting someone off the street and then they don't know what to do. So I'm working on a project which let's hope that जल्दी कुछ हो जाए उसका, and vision is like obviously to get these indies off the street, and जितना ज्यादा अडॉप्ट हो सके उतना अच्छा है, तो वही विजन तो वही रहेगा. We'll work towards that. Let's hope कुछ अच्छा कर सके इनके.
I mean, we all hope, it's all, we live with the hope. How do you see the role, the role of street kids evolving in animal welfare?
So if we properly have a place where we can train them, and like I said, if the funding is in place, definitely we can. जो नॉर्मल जो डॉग्स जो अब जैसे सेंट वर्क के लिए एयरपोर्ट पे यूज होते हैं टू डिटेक्ट वेरियस डिसीजेस, वो यूज होते हैं टू हेल्प विद जस्ट बीइंग लाइक अ थेरेपी डॉग, लाइक यू हैव मेट मेली, राइट? सो उसके जैसे वी कैन ट्रेन देम टू बी थेरेपी डॉग्स, जो हॉस्पिटल्स में पेशेंट्स who are kind of, to give them basically a peace of mind, pet being with dogs is so nice, right? So उसके लिए train कर सकते हैं. Lot of corporates also, like we get to see so many like instances where people are in so much of stress, and now I'm sure you must have seen it कि अभी airport पे, काफी airports पे होते हैं, there are these dogs who are there for petting, for travelers जो बहुत थक के आ रहे हैं, to give them a good experience.
I think even Mumbai airport, they've started with these.
Yes, even in Mumbai airport they are.
Yes, they.
So we have like pedigree dogs over there. So why not, train indies who are really sweet, and we can train them to do the same thing. So definitely हम काम कर सकते हैं ये चीज को.
That is
Just that awareness चाहिए, facility, funding, a lot of things need to be.
I think funding is where we are all stuck with most of
Yes.
importantly.
I'm stuck over there.
I think
I
it's
have the plan in place. I have everything in place, but वही है कि funding करना है, जगह चाहिए where I can set up something like this and it can work. And
Kushal, just this last section that we would like to come to the end of the podcast. If you could leave our listeners with one piece of advice on working with street kids, and what would that be?
one piece of advice, pet lovers को क्या ही advice दे? They all are like the only idea of them doing such a nice work. They are all मतलब what can I say? मतलब वो already एक अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. So उसके लिए advice, the only advice is if they need any help, कुछ query है regarding any community है, do reach out to me, do reach out to जो trainers आपको you can, I'm not saying कि मुझे ही reach करो, you can reach out to any behaviorist trainer जो properly certified है, उससे reach out करो, discuss with them कि these are the issues और ये these are the, what you can say, I'm facing in the society. I'm not getting
In the sense कि वो क्या behave,
मतलब कुछ
behaviors.
problem आ रहा है where I am kind of stuck, that what is the best thing that I can do in this
situation.
to help me with this.
No.
So definitely we will be able to help you out. So animal प्यार करना और उनको
देखभाल करना
that
is it too?
one thing, but to actually work on the behavior aspect, it is a totally to understand, a lot of time, just the simple fact, okay, काफी लोगों को रहता है. So how do I approach any dog? See, like I said, mentioned earlier, the way they have survived on the street is being nice to us. So they are kind of, you would always see them, lowering, not making eye contact, and not that confident. So if you see me, I want any street dog to approach me, I would settle, like I would actually kneel down and I'll go up to their eye line and not make any eye contact or anything and wait for them to come to me. Okay, so it's basically to give him the confidence. He has come to my level, so I can, kind of try and not making an eye contact, which is like I'm not challenging. So these are the certain fine points which, a trainer or a behaviorist can definitely tell you. I would do that and you wouldn't even realize that I have done something like that. Like okay, he's just feeding the dog. But this is what I know why I'm doing that.
Exactly.
Okay, so प्यार अपनी जगह है, ये सारी बिहेवियर उनका अंडरस्टैंड करना ये अपनी जगह है. सो अगर आपको कुछ इश्यू है, इफ यू हैव समथिंग जस्ट इन जनरल टू डिस्कस कि ये ऐसे इंसिडेंट हुआ था, व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वी कैन, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर हैप्पी टू हेल्प. आपके एरिया में आपके पहचान के कोई है, रीच आउट टू देम, टॉक टू देम, अंडरस्टैंड द डॉग्स टाइप और उस हिसाब से.
Now that's where I'm going to put my next question. I would definitely put your contact details at the, when we do the podcast release, and it would be there. But if people want to reach out to you, how do they connect with you?
I have my Instagram profile. If you want to reach out on social media, you can reach out over there directly. Or I can share you my contact detail. If anybody reaches out to you, you can definitely share them my contact details. Just the first thing that I prefer is ask them to drop me a message. Because काफी time कैसे होता है, I'm caught up with training, I'm not able to pick up calls, and then I have to reach out to them. So it is best that you drop me a message that, hi Kushal, we got your contact from so and so, and we wanted to talk about dog training, and definitely I'll reach out to you as soon as possible.
Perfect. Kushal, I would like to thank you for taking this time out to be on this podcast from your busy schedule. I really appreciate. Thank you so much for being on this podcast.
So nice. I really enjoyed. Like I said, I like people who are actually taking the effort to do something, and I'm always there, happy to help. It was my pleasure to be on the podcast with you, sir.
Thank you so much.